Hello, amazing English learners. Welcome to Learning Ascent. I'm William, and today I'm excited to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Do you want to talk with anyone, anywhere, without fear or hesitation? If your answer is yes, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Learning Ascent and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson that will help you improve your English step by step. Today, I will show you the easiest way to improve your English. No boring grammar, no long word lists, just simple, real English you can use every day. Here's the secret. Fluency is not about knowing everything perfectly. It's about practicing the right way every day, and I will guide you through that practice. Let's start with the most important step, your mindset. Many learners think English is too hard. They say, "I'm not good at English," or "I will never be fluent." But this thinking blocks your brain. Your brain listens to what you say to yourself. If you say English is difficult, your brain will believe it. It will make learning harder. Instead, change your mindset. Say to yourself, English is easy. Say, I am improving every day. Say, I can speak English. Repeat after me. English is easy. I am improving every day. I can speak English. Feel the power of positive thinking? This simple change opens your brain to learning. It helps you stay motivated and confident. Every expert was once a beginner. They practiced and believed in themselves. You can do the same. Try this daily. Look in the mirror and say your positive sentences. Write them down in a notebook. Make it your morning habit. This mindset will help you enjoy learning English. It will make your brain ready to absorb new words and sounds. So start today with a positive mind. Believe in yourself. You are on the path to fluency. Now that your mindset is ready, let's talk about your environment. You don't need to travel to an English-speaking country to practice English. You can create an English world right where you are. Start by changing your phone or computer language to English. This small step helps you see and think in English every day. Next, try to think in English during your daily routine. For example, when you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. When you make tea, say, I am making tea. When you go outside, think, the weather is nice today. Talking to yourself is powerful. Look in the mirror and say, hello, how are you today? Answer yourself, I'm feeling great. These small habits build your confidence. They help your brain get used to English sounds and sentences. Also, listen to English as much as possible. Play English songs, watch short videos, or listen to podcasts. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just enjoy the rhythm and sounds. Try to listen every day, even for 5 or 10 minutes. Your brain will start to recognize words and patterns naturally. Remember, babies learn by listening first. You can do the same. Create your English bubble. Surround yourself with English words, sounds, and thoughts. This will speed up your learning and make speaking easier.
Many learners know words and grammar, but stay silent. Why? Because of fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding wrong. But here's the truth. Mistakes are your best teachers. Every mistake helps you learn and improve. So, from today, promise yourself, I will speak English, even if I make mistakes. Start small. Stand in front of a mirror. Choose a simple topic, your day, your dream, or your plan. Speak for 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 5 minutes. Don't worry about grammar or perfect words. Focus on speaking and expressing yourself. Try to do this every day. Your confidence will grow like the sun rising. Also, practice with friends or online groups. Don't be shy to join conversations. The more you speak, the better you get. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. Every word you say is a step forward. Use simple sentences like, I am eating. She is walking. They are playing. These sentences are easy and help you build your speaking skills. Speak out loud as much as you can. Talk to yourself, your friends, or even your pet. The key is to keep speaking no matter what. Fluency doesn't come from speaking alone. It also comes from listening. Think about babies. Before they speak, they listen for many months. You must do the same. Listen to English every day. Don't worry if you don't understand 100%. Just enjoy the sounds and rhythm. Here are some easy ways to practice listening. Listen to English songs. Watch short English shows with subtitles. Follow podcasts like this one. When you listen more, your brain copies sounds, pronunciation, and natural tone automatically. Repeat after me. I train my ears every day. My brain catches English easily. Try to listen actively. Focus on the meaning, tone, and emotions behind the words. Don't just hear English, listen to it. This will help you understand faster and speak better. Try to listen to different accents and voices. This will prepare you for real conversations. Remember, listening is the foundation of speaking. The more you listen, the easier it is to speak fluently. Fluency is not about one big effort. It's about small daily practice. Here's a simple daily routine for you. Morning. Say one positive English sentence. For example, today will be amazing. Afternoon. Think in English during lunch. Say, I am eating rice. It tastes good. Evening. Speak 3 sentences in front of the mirror. For example, I worked hard today. I learned new words. I feel happy. Night. Write 1 line in English about your day. For example, today was a good day. If you follow this routine, your fluency will grow day by day. Remember these steps. Change your mindset. Surround yourself with English. Speak without fear. Improve your listening. Build daily habits. Step by step, your English will become natural. Don't rush. Don't worry. Just practice every day. Smile and say with me, English is easy. I am improving every day. I can speak English. Thank you for spending this time with me at Learning Accent. Remember, practice daily. Think positive and never stop learning. This is your Daily English Flow podcast. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep flowing in English. Bye for now.